Now, in case when you unlock your phone, what you see is the default internet browser present in your device, such as Google Chrome, opens up automatically with ads and cover the whole screen of your Android device. Then let us see how to fix the issue. Now, this might be caused because of a freeware application such as games or utility applications that you have just installed. Generally, freeware application has ads that is displayed when you use the application. So if you know that you have installed a freeware application, then what you do is uninstall the application and check if the ads goes away or not. If you want to uninstall the application, you just have to go to settings here, then you will go to apps here, and then if you want to remove any app, then you will select it, and then you select this option uninstall application. Now suppose if you have not installed any freeware application, then it might be caused by a malware application that is installed in your device without your knowledge. So in that case, you have to remove that malware application and check if this will fix the issue. Now if you want to be sure that it is caused by a malware application, then what you have to do is you have to start your device in safe mode. Now depending on the model of your Android device, there might be different ways to start your device in safe mode. So what you do, restart your device in safe mode and then lock your device and then unlock it again and check if the internet browser opens up with ad or not. Now when you restarted your device in safe mode and if the internet browser did not open up with ad, then you can be 100% sure that it is caused by a malware application. Now the next step is to remove the malware application. Now if you want to remove the malware application, then you have to go to settings again and then you have to go to apps again. Now how to identify a malware application? If an application is genuine or if it is not a malware application, then you will see the icon of the application on the left side. You will see the name of the application and you will also see the amount of space the application has used. Now if it is a malware application, then you will not see any icon for the application. You will not see any name for the application. You will only see the amount of space that is used by the application. So scroll down and check if there is any application like that. And suppose if there is an application like that, what you have to do is you have to uninstall that application. And the process is simple. Like before, you will just open it and select uninstall. So again one more time, check for the application which does not have the icon and the name and remove that application. So hopefully this should fix the issue. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.